Hi everyone, it's me Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing the Paletteful Packs box for February 2021. Unfortunately, my box arrived damaged. It came during a snowstorm and it was left outside in the snow for a couple days because I didn't realize it had arrived yet. So you can see this is the state of the box. There's a little bit of water damage going on and we had to rip it open this way. We have our nice little pamphlet that tells us exactly what came inside this month's box. It looks like we got a lot of markers going on. The first bit of actual art supplies we got is a sketchbook. Specifically, it's a special edition Paletteful Packs sketchbooks featuring art by Hello Alice. This is a box of special editions. This Paletteful Packs sketchbook features the artwork of Hello Alice, who's the artist behind our premiere pack videos. This sketchbook contains thick 70-pound premium recycled paper and is sewn with library quality binding. To create this product, we partnered with Denick, who, through the sale of sketchbooks such as this one, helped fund education projects worldwide. The retail price for this is normally $11.99. It's a very cute sketchbook. I like the fact that it does help fund education projects worldwide. That's always awesome. The paper is a little thin for my preferences, though. We got a full-on set of Sakura Micron pens, and it looks like it is in the 100th anniversary edition. Celebrating 100 years of Sakura, we're celebrating our 100th anniversary with a limited edition set of our most popular product, Pigma Micron. This 10-pack features all Micron nibs, including the newly released 10 and 12 sizes, and a commemorative, sleek black barrel with a gold pen clip. In 1921, Sakura Color Products of Japan invented Craypas, the first ever oil pastel. Since then, Sakura has become the quality and innovation standard many other companies strive to achieve. Sakura's innovations include the original Jelly Roll ink pen and pigment based on ink Pigma Micron pens. Pigma ink is permanent, fade resistant, chemically stable, and will not bleed or run after the ink has dried. Invented by Sakura over 30 years ago, Pigma ink continues to be the most reliable permanent ink on the market today. Artists, archivists, crafters, journal enthusiasts, students, and scientists alike trust Pigma Micron for all of their creative endeavors, archival quality projects, and more. This commemorative pen makes the perfect gift for any Micron fan or pen collector. The retail price for this set is normally $35.95. I'm actually very excited this was included, and I love the fact that it has some thicker sizes. You can always use more black Micron liners in bigger sizes for sure. We also got some Tombow dual brush pens, a green tone set of 3. Flexible brush tip and fine tip in one marker. Brush tip works like a paintbrush to create fine, medium, or bold strokes. Fine tip gives consistent lines. Dual brush pens are ideal for artists and crafters. The water-based ink is blendable and resilient. Nylon brush retains its point stroke after stroke. And this is normally $9.57 retail for the 3. I really like the color selection for the greens, but I generally love green. I also think that they are pretty together. Like usually with the Tombow brush pens, the water-based ones, they don't blend very well for me, and as you can see here, it kind of eats through the paper because the paper is so thin. If I do a project with this, I'll probably try to use a thicker watercolor-based paper. But with that, the unboxing, the swatches, and therefore this video are pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you've used any of the items that came in this month's box, let me know all about it in my comment section down below. If you would like to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do Paletteful Packs unboxings and projects once a month. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!